So now it all makes sense, and it's not what we thought. Samsung didn't just release the S25 Edge to compete with the iPhone 17 Air. This is all part of a bigger plan. According to a shocking new report from South Korea, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy S26 Edge alongside its siblings. But here's the twist. This new Edge model might be here to end one of Samsung's flagship phones forever. So what's really going on? Why would Samsung ditch an existing flagship? Let's break it down. Current lineup: S25 series. Right now, the Galaxy S25 series is straightforward. The regular S25 for compact phone lovers. The Plus, same features, just bigger. The Ultra, packed with everything for those who want the best, no matter the cost. And the new kid, the S25 Edge, designed for style over specs. But don't be fooled, the Edge isn't just for show, it's part of a calculated move. The problem with the Plus. Looking back, the S24 series was a hit, except for the Plus model, which struggled. Even now, the S25 Plus has the lowest sales target of the entire lineup. And those numbers are forcing Samsung to rethink its strategy. The big shift, S26 series. The latest report reveals Samsung might skip the S26 Plus entirely, replacing it with the Edge model instead. Samsung is positioning the Edge as the new mid-tier flagship for 2026. And here's the irony. While Samsung seems like the trendsetter, this move feels straight out of Apple's playbook. Remember when Apple replaced the iPhone mini with the iPhone Air? History might repeat itself. Why the Edge works. Now the big question. What does the Edge do right that the Plus couldn't? Don't get me wrong, the S25 Plus is a powerhouse, but that's also its problem. Apart from size, there's not enough difference between the standard and Plus models. Enter the S25 Edge. With its bold design, premium feel, and just enough spec upgrades, it finally offers a true middle ground between the standard and Ultra. The Edge's make or break moment. But even with the hype, the Edge has one big job. Prove it deserves to replace the Plus. Samsung is already working on 4 OLED screens for the S26 series, meaning both the Edge and Plus could still launch next year. But make no mistake, the S25 Edge is a test. The S25 Ultra sold over 5 million units in just 2 months. Meanwhile, Samsung's sales target for the Edge? Just 1.3 million by July. If the Edge succeeds, the Plus could vanish for good. Missed opportunity? Here's where Samsung might have slipped up. For such a stylish phone, they should have used a silicon carbon battery in the Edge. Instead, we got a 3,900 mAh battery, which feels underwhelming.